Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. For all you lawn care companies out there, here's an option that we offer that not too many people know about. It's the landscape dovetail attached to a box truck. How this works is we keep the loose landscape dovetails in stock just sitting on the ground. And that allows you to come in and pick out the exact box truck that you want, and then we do the install. It's like taking the old lady out to a really fancy dinner at the Red Lobster. And you say, honey, tonight you get the pick 3 combination. And she gets the butterfly shrimp, that's the truck, and the baked potato, that is the dovetail. And then she orders a crispy Brussels sprouts, but you say no to that because it's going to make her fart later on. This allows you to choose from a wide selection of vehicles like our ISUZUs, gas or diesel, or our Chevys or Fords. We have miles as low as 50,000 miles and prices all over the map. So give us a call or stop by to see what we can do for you. And if you haven't done so already, please help us grow this channel and hit that like and subscribe button. My name is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, and I am here to help you grow your business.